आज का शो है काफी ज्यादा स्पेशल क्योंकि मेरे साथ जुड़ गई हैं वो जिनके आने से आ गया है इस शो पे 1000 वॉट का नूर. आफ्टर लुकिंग एट हर आई एम थिंकिंग इज शी एन एंजल और इज शी हूर. प्लीज गिव इट अप फॉर जानवी कपूर. एंड That's not it. मेरे साथ वो भी है to have a fun banter. He is the शैतान, he is the hunter. भैया बांटो मिठाई और बांटो सेवैया क्योंकि मेरे साथ आ गए हैं गुलशन देवैया. Guys, welcome to Request वाला show.
Thank you. I really liked the सेवैया and देवैया.
लेकिन मैं हूँ नहीं, मैं एमेच्योर गवैया भी हूँ.
मैंने बहुत कुछ सोचा but I just couldn't find a rhyming word to देवैया.
Thank you for
No, it was great.
the wonderful शायराना अंदाज वाला introduction.
Thank you so much.
Did you used to be an RJ or something like that?
I was back in the day.
I can tell you have the same that energy.
Yeah. That's how we are doing this show, by the way. But anyway, guys, first of all, right off the bat, I want to talk about the new release, Ulaj. हमने teaser देख लिया है, बहुत interesting लग रहा है सब कुछ. But why don't you tell us a little bit about Ulaj?
It's going to be out in the theaters.
That's not very interesting. But yeah, we want to hear more. We want to hear about the story. Ulaj की उलझ क्या है?
उलझ की उलझ क्या है? उलझ की उलझ.
उलझ में बहुत सारे उलझन हैं actually.
There's some spiders also, no? Weaving webs.
No, there really aren't. But बहुत ही दिलचस्प कहानी है I think. बहुत ही अलग कहानी है. I don't think किसी भी फिल्म ने पहले इस दुनिया को एक्सप्लोर किया है जिस तरह से हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं इस फिल्म में. I think मेरे लिए काफ़ी अलग किस्म का किरदार था. I've never played. I feel like there's this perception कि मैं जो भी किरदार निभाती हूँ काफ़ी बेचारी सी सहमी हुई सी लड़की जो प्रॉब्लम में फंस जाती है और फिर या कुछ ऐसे बड़ा सपना है और उसे पूरा करने के लिए जो संघर्ष से वो गुजरती है. सो आई थिंक आई हैड अ सॉर्ट ऑफ सिमिलर आर्क. लेकिन उलझ मेरे लिए काफ़ी अलग था. आई हैव नेवर played a woman with this much agency.
Okay.
Which has been very exciting for me. And काफ़ी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग दुनिया थी मेरे लिए. बहुत कुछ सीखी मैं.
But Janvi, tell us, it looks like कि आप इस मूवी में काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्शन करती हुई नज़र आ रही हैं from what we could gauge. What was that training like? क्या किया आपने? How did you train for it? How did you work for it?
Honestly, सुहाना का किरदार जो है, she's an IFS officer and they're not typically trained in combat or that skill set is not a requirement to be an IFS officer. But yes, she of course finds herself in situations where she is required to, I guess, tap into her fight or flight situations. So the way that we attempted those scenes was from the point of view of someone who isn't well versed with combat, which was interesting. But एक चीज़ की तैयारी जो मुझे काफ़ी करनी पड़ी वो थी कि वो जो एक डिप्लोमेटिक इंस्टिंक्ट होता है हर कॉन्वर्सेशन को जिस एक तरह से मैनिपुलेट करना. आप जो नतीजा चाहते हैं एक डिस्कशन से या एक डील से उस चीज़ को कैसे हासिल करते हैं बस बातों में ही. आई थिंक वो एक डिप्लोमेट का जॉब होता है कई बार अमंग अदर थिंग्स ऑफ कोर्स. तो उसको लेकर आई थिंक काफ़ी किताबें पढ़ी मैंने, काफ़ी शोज़ देखी, काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज़, काफ़ी डिस्कशंस किए मैंने. एंड आई थिंक देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस दैट आई डिड विद अतुल मुंगिया. यू आल्सो डिड अ कपल ऑफ सेशंस विद oh yeah, you said no.
I work alone.
Oh, wow.
I work alone with the director and myself and my imagination.
So I think ऐसे काफ़ी एक्सरसाइजेस थे जहाँ उन्होंने कहा कि आपको ये चाहिए ये सीन के एंड में, आप ये कैसे हासिल करोगी. So we do like a lot of scene work where the actor opposite me would do everything possible to not let me win the argument and I'd have to win it without of course becoming hysterical and screaming and shouting and just wordplay I guess and behavioral things.
Do you think that
भाई मेरी कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत वेल प्रिपेयर्ड है, बहुत अच्छे जवाब दे रही है. मैं चलूं?
मैं आपसे भी सवाल
कसम से I am so impressed. I am impressed. I'm sure the people who are going to listen to this interview are going to be like, wow, JK.
But Gulshan, I've also been like a very big fan of yours by the way, right from Shaitan. I am not saying it. मैं आपको बताऊंगा.
I'm not feeling insecure. I'm not feeling insecure.
आप दोनों के लिए मैंने काफी सारे compliments रखे हुए हैं in store. I want to talk about some instances in life in general. But Gulshan, I want to know about your character as well. What is your character in Ulaj?
I'm not going to tell you about it.
That's not fair.
It's absolutely fair. It's my decision. It's like I just don't want to talk about this. One time I have decided that I'm not going to talk about my character in this film. I mean, people should come and just watch and make sense of it. Like, think whatever good things if they have to say, great. If they want to like criticize it and thought it was shit, not my best work, whatever. They're free to say whatever. I have decided I'm not going to talk at all.
But why is that?
About
Why
the character.
have you made this decision?
Because there is a method to this madness. But
I think it's his most interesting character. I will say that. Don't you think? I mean,
It
obviously,
was definitely very interesting.
there was a lot to.
And that's one of the that was a primary reason for me to sort of do it. But
Right.
I don't want to really talk about it.
Okay, don't talk about your character. Tell us ek cheez, one particular incident from this movie that really made a mark on you.
No, I didn't get hurt at all. Actually, like there were no marks on me. I almost made a mark on her, but
You.
yeah, I think my like little
Oh, yeah, and
my
that
little
little-
finger grazed your like lower lip or something like that. And I was like,
It was some combat. No, it was more than that. It was like a.
hey, नहीं यार, इतना ये छोटी उंगली ऐसे ऐसे
तो
क्या?
अंगूठी था, कुछ तो था, लगा था मुझे
नहीं
उस
नहीं नहीं
दिन.
कुछ नहीं वो मैं थोड़ा हाथ भारी है. My grip strength is a bit like I underestimate my own grip strength.
Okay, why don't you both tell us about the experience of working with each other? How was it?
She's extremely hardworking. I have tremendous respect for people who are capable, who have the will to work hard.
Right.
Not only the I mean, she does suffer from that thing. I'm sure she'll admit to it. But she has the will to work so hard, and it's so easy to sit somewhere and then talk shit about somebody else. But it's when you see people working so hard, and I have tremendous respect because I can't work.
No,
this
I
hard.
think you
I am
underestimate.
I am lazy.
You undersell how ये जो मैं lazy हूँ, मैं laid back.
No,
हूँ,
I'm
आप
smart.
जितना-
I'm smart.
No, but I've seen the kind of thought you put into this
I do,
character.
yeah, but
Gulshan.
it's
that's not
but
laziness.
it's not yes.
That's not कि मैं
yes,
सुबह उठ के
yes.
set पे आके देख
नहीं, नहीं,
लूँगा
it's-
क्या
no,
करना
no,
है.
no.
It's not that at all.
Thank you, and I appreciate that, and I agree with you also. But it's the kind of the willingness to do hard work that you are willing. I can't do that. Yes, a lot of this. But मैं आराम से बैठ के ये सब work जो मेरे दिमाग में होता है ना, I want a certain like pace. I can't work in her pace all the time.
Right.
Okay, and I see her coming in. Even when she's not shooting, she's doing something.
Right.
Like I'm not doing anything when I'm not shooting. We were in London and when I'm not shooting, I'm visiting a museum.
Right.
Right? So that's what is happening, or going to a restaurant or something like that.
Right.
She was always working. And I really have respect for people who have the will to put that kind of hard work, be it for their careers. I'm not only talking about the work she put in for Suhana.
Right.
I'm talking about the work she generally puts in her life. You know, and for her career. And I have
really
respect
sweet,
for that.
Kushal.
Yeah, really, it is.
That's very, very sweet.
And you know why I'm saying this? Because it's really easy for people to point fingers and really take a shit on somebody else.
Right.
We have no idea. We sometimes have no idea. We easily criticize, say shit like that. That's why I'm saying this.
That's really sweet, Gulshan.
Wow, that's very heart touching. Yes. Janvi, you tell us, how was your experience of working with Gulshan?
I mean, obviously, there's this. We hadn't worked together before, but I guess we were kind of in the
promoted
same.
2 days. We
Yeah,
did that
so we
for
were
Ghost
like
Stories,
in
yeah.
anthology together. So we were not familiar, but I kind of got a sense of his energy. And I remember at the screening of Ghost Stories, I saw his work, and which is why I find it ironic that he says that I'm laid back, मैं ये हूँ, क्योंकि वो जो costume पहन के आपको perform करना पड़ा.
Every day I regret it. I'm very proud of it, but every day I was like, why the hell am I doing
Yeah, but that's not easy. So
it's not easy.
It's not at all easy what he's done, and I think that the kind of body of work he's had, and I think what I appreciate about him, and I did on set as well, is the kind of clarity that his approach always had, like a very no bullshit approach to कि मुझे ये करना है और मैं, and I want to try to make this as interesting as possible,
Right.
and so he'd come up with very unpredictable things, which I think as the character I was playing was very helpful. I remember one scene in particular because there are very many shades to his character in the film. So I guess I got used to seeing one shade. And then he showed up on set one day and his full body language had changed, his demeanor had changed, the way he was looking at me had changed, and I swear I had nothing to do in that scene but just to be in
I had indigestion.
complete confusion of why he's acting like this, because it's so unfamiliar and unnerving, but
Right.
but that's exactly what we were supposed to feel in the scene. So I think he's if I'm a hardworking actor, he's a very intelligent actor.
That I am.
I love that.
Not hardworking. I wish. I'm okay. We'll move on. We'll just-
So we have an intelligent actor and a hardworking actor, but both of you are extremely good at what you do.
Thank you.
But guys, I want to talk about a little bit about your journey so far, right? Let's talk about Janvi first. जानवी, you started off with धड़क और फिर उसके बाद you've done
Oh, that journey. I thought she was cool. I thought this journey.
no I want to talk about your trajectory in general.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है, आपने धड़क के साथ स्टार्ट किया और फिर उसके बाद you've done a lot of these movies जो आपने खुद अपने कंधों पे आगे बढ़ाई हैं and you've done a fabulous job. I was talking about compliments, so जानवी first compliment. मैं जब ये शूट पे आ रहा था मेरे पापा ने मुझे फ़ोन किया and he told me about a story which is very very interesting. My dad is a critic and he does not like movies in general.
He doesn't like movies.
He doesn't like movies in general, but he was watching Millie. एंड उनकी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग थी बट ही कुडंट गो टू दैट मीटिंग बिकॉज ही वाज लाइक जब तक ये बाहर नहीं निकलेगी फ्रीजर से तब तक मैं नहीं जाऊंगा एंड ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग एंड दैट इज द इम्पैक्ट दैट यू हैव क्रिएटेड ही हैज गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस सो टेल अस हाउ इज दिस जर्नी बिन आपने बहुत ही सिलेक्टिव कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं और वो कैरेक्टर्स आपने खुद अपने कंधों पे उठा के पूरी मूवी यू हैव टेकन फॉरवर्ड सो इज इट लाइक अ wise decision that you've made, a very selective decision that you've made, or it's just come to you?
I don't know. I think firstly जो मैं अकेले अपनी कंधों पर उठा के all these films हाँ मैं प्रोटैगनिस्ट रही हूँ और predominantly ये मेरे किरदार पर आधारित रही हैं ये सारी कहानियाँ. ये सारे फिल्मों को बनाने में बहुत सारे लोगों का हाथ रहा है. बहुत सारे दूसरे एक्टर्स भी थे जिनके काम के बगैर वो फिल्म सही तरीके से बनती नहीं. आई एम अवेयर दैट इट्स बिन अ स्लाइटली फाइन आई पुट इट दिस वे. आई थिंक एक आसान रास्ता हो सकता था मेरे लिए. मैं एक तरह की फिल्म्स कर सकती थी जिसकी रीच ज़्यादा होती, कमर्शियल सक्सेस ज़्यादा गारंटीड होती, पॉपुलैरिटी ज़्यादा गारंटीड होती. आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं मेरे करियर के शुरुआत में धड़क के बाद मैंने कॉन्शियस डिसीजन ली थी कि मैं अपने आप को एक अलग तरीके में पहले साबित करना चाहती हूँ. आई थिंक जिस तरह की अभिनेत्री मैं बनना चाहती हूँ उसके लिए शायद ज़रूरी है कि मैं अपने ग्रोथ के लिए ये जर्नी चुनूँ. तो हाँ आई थिंक मैंने ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट्स चुने, ऐसे किरदार चुने जो कि मेरे ज़िंदगी से बहुत अलग है. एंड आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर आई वोंट लाई, इट इज़ द रिस्कियर जर्नी. आई थिंक उलझ के साथ भी मैं कल ही सोच रही थी बैठ के मेरे कमरे में डर रही थी कि जब मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी अंदर से एक ज़रूरत आई थी कि मुझे ये स्क्रिप्ट ये कहानी का हिस्सा बनना है. लेकिन मैंने ऐसे क्यों सोचा मैं कुछ कमर्शियल फिल्म करके डांस मसाला करके अभी मतलब आराम की ज़िंदगी जी सक. आई कुड हैव बीन वेरी लाइक ईजी कि हाँ इसमें तो पॉपुलैरिटी सक्सेस गारंटीड है. ये काफ़ी स्पेशली जिस दौर से ये इंडस्ट्री गुजर रही है एक फ़ीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट की फिल्म जिसमें कन्वेंशनल ट्रोप्स नहीं हैं काफ़ी स्कैरी और डॉन्टिंग चीज़ होती है क्योंकि यू नो मूवी रिलीजेस आर एनीवेज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. तो मैं खुद को कोस रही थी कि मैं ऐसे रिस्क क्यों ले रही थी, मैं सेफ डिसीजंस क्यों नहीं ले रही थी क्योंकि वो कमर्शियल टाइप की एक्टिंग एंड वो फिल्म्स इट कम्स ईजियर टू मी एनीवे. But then I just saw the trailer and the songs and the assets of the film again and I feel proud कि मैं खुद को चैलेंज करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. आई थिंक इसमें सक्सेस रेट का गारंटी बहुत कम है, रिस्क बहुत हाई है, बट मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग सो मच अबाउट कि पे ऑफ होगा या नहीं होगा. आई थिंक आई एम थिंकिंग मोर अबाउट कि आई गेस my artistic growth, as corny as that sounds, but yeah.
But Janvi, don't you think कि by taking these risks, आप ये जो risk ले रहे हैं उसके बाद you are stepping your foot as like a very very profound actor. मतलब सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि how good Janvi is as an actor and a protagonist who can carry forward these films and do great at it.
I think it's a longer journey to get there because like I said, like Millie, the amount of love I get now from Millie that it's been on Netflix for a while is a lot of people. But when it released in theaters, it didn't do well. It did dismal numbers. और वो एक धप्पा लग जाता है.
But not just Millie, right? We have Gunjan Saxena also. We have Ruhi also. We have all these films that have done
right.
well.
So it's like these choices have made my journey, I guess, a little longer. It's not कि ऐसी फिल्म कर ली जो कि जहाँ box office success तो guaranteed है और you've arrived.
Right.
So it's not that easy route that I've picked. But yeah, I guess let's see. It is what it is.
I think it's paying off really well because everybody here in this is like a big fan. Now coming to Gulshan. Gulshan, मैंने आपकी सबसे पहले शैतान देखी थी. I was not very old then, but I had to literally go and search ki who is this actor. And after that, every work that you've done thereafter, I think everybody is just convinced that you're a phenomenal actor in general. But what I want to talk to you about is that you've done a lot of these films wherein you're part of a big cast, a big ensemble, but you've always managed to stood out. So how's the journey been for you?
It's I really do things that I'm interested in.
Right.
So many times I'm not looking at like part kya hai and all of those things. But it has to be good for my craft. It has to be good for my career. This is the rule of thumb that I've been following right from the beginning. When something comes to me, I read a script or I get a narration or a pitch. मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार मेरे लिए सही है एज एन एक्टर मेरे लिए सही होगा इंटरेस्टिंग है मेरे लिए कितना मतलब कितनी दिलचस्पी है मेरे अंदर पैदा कर रहा है क्या मैं इसको लेके क्रिएटिव हो सकता हूँ और करियर के लिए कितना अच्छा है सो दिस इज द मेट्रिक आई हैव जस्ट फॉलोड एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू सीन आज तक भगवान की कृपा से सिर्फ पैसों के लिए कोई काम नहीं किया है होपफुली आगे भी नहीं करना पड़े लेकिन अगर करना पड़ेगा तो इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है
Right.
तो आई डोंट बिकॉज मेनी पीपल हैव EMIs टू पे एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स आई अंडरस्टैंड लाइक
Right. But
So-
but Gulshan, what I want to know from you is that, I mean,
so the
yeah.
coming to the part of the standing out and all that, I don't really approach anything कि हाँ ठीक है मैं खा जाऊँगा इनको ये करूँगा I want to stand out. I really have fun acting. This is something that I wanted to do. I chose this for myself and I discovered that I have the right aptitude to be good at it and develop the
agreed,
skill
yeah.
set. I'm having fun here. That's all really matters. The intention is never to sort of outshine somebody or shine where I am standing or something like that. I just want to enjoy the process and sincerely pour myself into it as much as possible. Sometimes it's not possible to pour yourself completely
into it.
as much as possible. That's all. So when it's totally up to people to sort of have their opinions that oh you stood out in that scene or you are underrated or whatever, even the criticisms also, no? I'm not doing any of these things for that. It's just fun. I want to focus on that process and be as sincere as possible to that process. That's all.
Right. But Gulshan, tell me something. Ki you have done a lot of these dark characters, if I may, right? How do you have fun while having dark characters? Because I've heard a lot of actors say that they go to a separate
Oh, it's a
zone
lot of
altogether.
fun.
Yeah.
Everybody have their own process. Like for me, it's a creative process, and a lot of it is built in my imagination. And then I try things, and also it's up to the collaborative, relationship that जो मैं अपने director के साथ अपने co-actors के साथ develop कर सकता हूँ. उस चीज़ को और हर किसी का जैसे JK has a different style of approaching. So that pushes me a certain way. तो फिर मैं वो एक कुछ नया करवाता है वो मुझसे. So I have to allow for that also to happen. So that's how you have fun. Because it's a creative process, ना मेरे लिए acting is a creative process and it's also very technical.
Right.
और मुझे इन चीज़ों में मज़ा आता है. तो रोल का हल्का होना या भारी होना या मैं रो रहा हूँ सीन में मैं हंसा रहा हूँ या मैं कुछ कॉमेडी कर रहा हूँ इसका कोई मायने नहीं है.
Got
The whole process is fun for me.
Wow, that's wonderful. Anyway, guys, अब हम एक बहुत ही जल्दी से गेम खेलने वाले हैं. गेम बहुत ही सिंपल है. मेरे हाथ में है कुछ क्यूज. थोड़े से आपको मिलेंगे, थोड़े से आपको मिलेंगे. आपको अपने सर पे रखना है. सामने वाला पर्सन देगा आपको कुछ हिंट्स, barring the word which is there on the cue.
Okay.
All right. And सामने वाले को गेस करना है. ठीक है. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. आप कैसे भी बता सकते हैं. बस जो वर्ड सामने रखा हुआ है, आपको वो यूज नहीं करना है.
Okay.
ओके कूल.
तो हम नहीं देख सकते.
आप नहीं देख सकते. आपको बस उठा
तो
के
ये
सर पे
करना
रखना
है.
है.
Okay.
ओके कूल.
मोर पंख.
गुलशन स्टार.
कैसे बताना कुर्बानी.
Should I help you?
हाँ यार.
सनी लियोनी इस गाने में थी.
आई थॉट ओ ये तो जनरेशन ही गलत है ना.
सनी लियोनी
मतलब अलग है, अलग है, अलग
सनी
है.
लियोनी
सही
शाहरुख
जगह.
खान. आइटम नंबर.
झूठ को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? झूठ को
English में क्या बोलते हैं?
इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Liar. नहीं, lies.
हाँ और
गाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
नहीं लॉस एंजलिस का शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है?
या
LA.
हाँ तो दोनों को जोड़ के बोलना.
LA lies.
पहले क्या बोला
द
था
फर्स्ट
मैंने?
इज
झूठ.
फर्स्ट हाफ.
झूठ लॉस एंजलिस.
Lies la. Laila.
यस गुड जॉब गुलशन. अमेजिंग.
मुझे दिखाना.
अच्छा
बहन के पति को क्या बोलते नहीं
ससुर साला.
नो.
नहीं यार ये गाना
बहनोई.
नहीं माना.
यस.
सलीम की गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम क्या था?
अनारकली.
गुड जॉब. इज इट टाइप्ड राइट? ट्राई.
अच्छा इट राइम्स विद निम्बुडा.
Okay, I'll do it. Name types of dals.
मुंगड़ा.
हाँ
Yes.
correct.
So that's all folks. This was request वाला show for today जहाँ पे मेरे साथ थे जानवी कपूर और गुलशन देवैया. Guys, how was it being on the show?
It was like this, man.
It was
like this.
great. It was fun.
Yeah? And I'm hoping to see you guys again. But why don't you tell our audience to watch Ulaj
Yes,
Yeah.
please buy whatever tickets your heart pleases, but do come to the theaters. उलझ हमारी अगली मूवी रिलीज हो रही है आपकी नज़दीकी सिनेमा घरों में 2 अगस्त को.
See you at the movies.
सो भैया 2 अगस्त को रिलीज हो रही है उलझ, आपको जाके देखना है थिएटर में. एंड ऑन दिस नोट, दिस इज मी आदित्य सेइंग आस्था लविस्ता बेबी. हैव अ ग्रेट वीक अहेड. हम मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते विद अनदर वेरी वेरी स्पेशल एपिसोड. गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच
Thank
फॉर बीइंग
you.
ऑन द शो.